गुड मॉर्निंग मेरे यारो, हैप्पी मंडे। मंडे मंडे की तरह ही हो गया मेरा शुरू। दैट मीन्स इट्स सीरियस मंडे। बट क्या करें, मंडे ब्लू कहीं पे भी आप जाइए, अपना मंडे ब्लू का मंडे ब्लू रहता है, और फ्राइडे का स्वीट फ्राइडे तो स्वीट फ्राइडे रहता है. सो देर इज़ नो एनी चेंज एज सच इन दैट मूड, बट the weather is very nice and I got a very authentic bento because मुझे प्रोटीन की कमतरता महसूस हो रही थी. On weekend I was getting very tired and I couldn't plan Saturday the way I wanted to plan, and I had to postpone my work on Sunday. So for the protein intake I am eating today bento. हमेशा मेरा ऐसा होता है कि when I realize the protein in deficiency, I always eat Japanese food. So I'll just show you what I'm eating and I'll enjoy my lunch with this nice cloudy weather. Ciao. So मेरे यारो, this is the healthiest lunch I'm having. Well, this is a sweet and sour taste chicken. This is a pickled radish. This is a sweet red pumpkin in a boiled version, which is very good for health. And this is a Japanese rice. And this is a sprouts, like the way we get the sprouts for lentils, right? So only the sprout salad. I really like this combination because it covers all the nutritional value in a one meal, and it's very cheap. It's just 300 rupees in India. I know. So with 300 we are getting a healthy lunch because it's very costly here I am in area, and it's always very costly. But you can see the weather, it's so beautiful, peaceful. और आपको तो पता है ऐसे वेदर में मुझे ना हमेशा कहीं तो भी लोनावला खंडाला जाके चिक्की या भुट्टा खाने का मन होता है. बट that's perfectly okay even if this climate I am eating good food like this. So I'll just carry on with my lunch, Mariaro, and I'll stay tuned in between. Have a great start and blasting start of the week. Good evening, Mariaro. I know there is a good afternoon at your end. I have a very mixed day today, though it is Monday, but it turned out to be a very mixed day. Whole day I was really occupied at work, and at the end of the day when I was coming back, I had a nice talk with my colleague. He's from different country, and ऐसे होता है ना, when you are both are foreigners, so between the foreigners have a very different conversation, and between your home country people and between your native people like Japanese people and you, so it so changes na. So but the human feelings, they don't change. So I came to know the same feeling that he's also going through. So I asked him that so what do you decided, do you miss your country, do you want to go back to your country? So he said that every day I have this struggle within my mind. I said that so do I. He said that it's so difficult when you taste both places in your life, like your hometown, your home country, and new country. So it's very difficult to judge, and you just can't decide anything. Only thing you can do, maximum you can just take the decision on that moment, spur of the moment, you can say that what you're feeling exactly on that moment. So it's difficult, isn't it? What do you think? I mean, have any one of you experienced such kind of feeling that not necessary it has to be different countries, but अगर हम एक जगह में रह रहे हो और बहुत साल के बाद तुम बहुत साल के लिए आप दूसरे जगह जा रहे हो, and but in mind your heart is divided in both places. So और ये भी there is one basic fact also that nothing is in our hand. We don't know, nothing in our hand where to take birth, which nationality we can come in this lifetime as a human, and still human juggles with these thoughts, right? And it's everywhere. But we just concluded the talk that we can't take any decision, just we have to focus on right now. mind. Do not think about future. So focus on present. That's the conclusion we drew. And it's amazing climate right now, to the extent that I don't feel like going home. I feel like going for a long drive, but it's kind of warning. It might be raining. Ciao. I'll catch you in between. I'll share a few things with you later on. See ya and have a great Monday. Bye. Ciao. आज मेरा अवार्ड सेरेमनी है बिकॉज इट्स अ मंडे ओके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स मंडे आफ्टरनून सॉरी इवनिंग आफ्टर अ हेक्टिक मंडे I got a energy to cook this divine food. This is a divine food for me. So I'm rewarding myself because I'm eating this healthy. Now I'm going to add this dalia. If you remember, yes, like on Sunday I did this. This is the dalia. So I'm just gonna make a little soupy kind of liquidish soup out of dalia and this. I'm not gonna add much dalia. I'm just gonna add it very less quantity for sake of adding it, and I'm gonna make it a mixed soup of all this vegetable because it's very, I mean, suddenly the cold winter like wind has started, so I felt like having this healthiest version of the dinner after a long time. So all the best to me mere yaro. I will now head for cooking the soup of it. The procedure is same the way I have showed you last Saturday, so I'm gonna follow the same, but only this quantity will be very less. I'll show you once it is ready. Ciao. Well, this is looking like this, okay, what I made it, but this time I made a little bit of changes. You can see the dalia part is so less and more it is a soup kind of thing, and in the spices I just added this tej patta and pepper, black pepper, and just bit of turmeric and salt and green chili, very less pieces, but I really like when the vegetable is cooked like this. It's not too cooked, not too much raw. So it's one of the soup recipe if anybody is really bored and they want to explore the health planet like me. So I'm gonna have this soup in this bowl and I'm gonna enjoy, and I'll let you know how it tastes after tasting. Ciao. Having a longest test evening because of my cooking. मतलब 5 मिनट के लिए खाना खाने के लिए तुम्हें 30 मिनट क्यों काम करना पड़ता है. And now I'm going for this, the famous task, important task of life, waste disposal. Because मुझे थोड़ा psychological है thought process. If there is a dust, the like waste at home, I cannot sleep. I feel where you are sleeping or where you are staying, it should be clean and positive and hygienic. That's the fundamental thing I have, habit point of view. So I'm rewarding myself by throwing this. Yeah, this is my reward for Monday. So I'll catch you up in between if I can. Otherwise, Shabba khair and good night, because it's really late night at my place.